Number 2, we have a chart. It says type of store, warehouse store, department store, supermarket, and average number of employees, 365, 213, and 130. For a certain region, the table shows the average number of store employees in 2016 by type of store. Based on the table, how much greater was the average number of store employees in warehouse stores than in supermarkets? This is just testing our ability to read a table. So let's compare. Let's find this information. Let's see what they want us to compare, and we'll compare it. They want to know the average number of store employees in warehouse stores and the average number of store employees in supermarkets. So first, in warehouse stores, the average number of employees was 365. Okay, so for the warehouse, the average was 365. And then in supermarkets, the average was 130. So I say supermarket, I'm just really abbreviating here. It was 130. And we don't have to do any math to figure out the average number of employees because the table says it's giving us the average number. A lot of times when we see the word average, we're thinking of mean, like mean, median, mode, and taking the average of numbers, but that's not necessary here. The chart is giving us the average. We don't have to calculate it. What do we have to calculate it? The question is, how much greater was the number of warehouse employees versus supermarket? How much greater than? That's going to be a subtraction problem. So 365 is the bigger number. How much greater is it than the supermarket number 130? So we would just slide this over a little bit and we would just subtract these two and we get 235. And that is C. That's my answer. Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and if you're looking for more SAT or PSAT help, go to mathwithalyssa.com. You can get over 25 hours. Yes, 25 hours of test prep, including math and reading and writing. And there's dozens of practice questions, downloadable study guides, you name it. Links to everything in the description down below. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about this video or any suggestions for future videos. And if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Like, share, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later.